Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your Jis News for February 6. Parliament is to sign off on government spending cuts tabled Tuesday in the House of Representatives. The process began with a meeting of the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee PAAC Wednesday to review the first supplementary estimates for the 2012-2013 financial year. The estimates show a $9.9 billion cut in the budget, taking government's total expenditure to $602 billion. Recurrent expenditure or housekeeping expenses now stand at $367.7 billion, reflecting a $7 billion cut in the budget. The capital A and B sides of the budget also show a $2.85 billion reduction, with the figure now at $234.8 billion. The PAAC review is scheduled to continue on Thursday. After that, a report will be sent to Parliament's Standing Finance Committee, which includes all members of Parliament who will approve the estimates on February 12. Government remains committed to strengthening its relationship with foreign countries to boost national development. In an address to diplomats on Tuesday, Prime Minister Portia Simpson-Miller said Jamaica stood ready to cooperate with its foreign counterparts.
We will continue to engage with all countries to explore opportunities for foreign direct investment, tourism growth, expanded trade and technical cultural cooperation.
The Prime Minister's address also formed part of the 15th staging of Diplomatic Week. Diplomats also got an update on government's plans to stimulate productivity and economic growth while reducing the national debt. They were also briefed on plans to protect human rights, especially those of children, and efforts to combat global warming. Meanwhile, diplomats were also updated on plans to clamp down on the illicit small arms trade. Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Minister Senator A.J. Nicholson is looking forward to an upcoming treaty.
The discussions on an arms trade treaty, which will hopefully conclude in March of this year in New York, are of major importance to Jamaica in curbing violence and strengthening national security.
Businesses are being urged to invest in the country's human resources and provide work experience for university graduates. State Minister for Science, Technology, Energy and Mining Julian Robinson says many university graduates are unable to find jobs due to a lack of experience. Mr. Robinson was speaking at the launch of Petrojam's graduate internship program on Tuesday.
It allows you an opportunity to recruit the best because you put them through an internship program, and you know at the end of that one-year internship program, you have someone who understands your operations, who is attuned to the industry, understands your culture as well, and can fit right in. So this is something which is mutually beneficial.
Petrojam's internship program, which lasts for a year, allows university graduates to develop new skills and improve their marketability. Mr. Robinson is hoping in the meantime that Petrojam within the next few years will be able to find local experts to complete tasks which usually require overseas assistance. The National Blood Transfusion Service (NBTS) is working on a 5-year plan to boost blood intake to at least 50,000 units per year. The NBTS, popularly known as the Blood Bank, is working with the Health Ministry and the Pan American Health Organization to increase the number of voluntary blood donors. Designated collection centers average between 150 and 200 units per day, but the daily requirement for blood is between 300 and 500 units per day. And finally, Education Minister Ronald Thwaites is promoting Jamaica Day as a tool to foster greater patriotism in students across the island.
We're going to celebrate every aspect that is good of who we are. And I'm on to it. This day will provide the students an opportunity to express all of their patriotic sentiments, and we're all going to come together just to give thanks for who we are and for who we can become.
Jamaica Day, which was launched on Monday, will be celebrated in schools all across the island on February 22 under the theme Celebrating Jamaica, I'm on it. The main ceremony will be held at the Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium. Jamaica Day is part of an effort to get students to embrace the country's heritage, which will motivate them to perform at the highest standards. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.